It is being said that the most beautiful curve in the human body is the smile. So, this is dedicated to all the humans who would love to smile more confidently as they know that they have beautiful teeth. When we smile, sometimes it's just an act to hide what we really feel inside. We hope no one will notice any of the tell signs that will reveal what we actually feel inside. Though we are often showered with confidence, we don't always accept that our smile is actually as good as it is told to us. So we just smile while being consoled. Yet, when we smile, we may not even realize that we change the entire atmosphere of the room with a powerful expression on our face, our smile. And to get that sparkling and confident smile, we come to Smile Please Dental Clinic by Dr. Sharat Kumar, MDS Orthodontics, your dentist.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sharat Kumar, MDS Orthodontics from Smile Please Super Speciality Dental Clinic in Sector 17 Vashi, Navi Mumbai. We are located in the heart of Sector 17 Vashi, Navi Mumbai, just above Navratna Restaurant, most easy place to refer to and come to. At Smile Please Super Speciality Dental Clinic, we strive to provide best dental care in Vashi, Navi Mumbai at par with the international standards by comprising modern technology in the field of dental treatments. Blending technologically advanced dental care with best economical packages, we are one of the leading super specialty dental clinics in India, providing dental care for Indian as well as international travelers. I would like to take you for a virtual tour of our clinic and its facilities. Care starts at Smile Please when we take care of yours and our safety through our mission called as Safety First at Smile Please Dental Clinic. We have deployed these enhanced safety protocols developed using WHO guidelines to ensure 100% sterile environment and patient safety. These protocols include personal protective equipment, that is PPE kits, safety materials and advanced processes. Your journey begins with filling a form about COVID declaration and consent, followed by thermal checkups and wearing of protective gear. Thereafter, every patient is fogged with special sanitizing sprays to ensure complete safety and you are ready for your treatment. Let me show you around the clinic. This is our luxurious waiting room where you can wait for your appointment or relax after the treatment while we play relaxing videos for you here. Nevertheless, we have very soothing and energetic environment created with ambient music all around the clinic. Then we go to a private consultation chamber where we plan your treatments with you and listen to your concerns. Only after thorough planning and giving you all the economical options, we start your treatments. Let us get into our state-of-art 2-chair operatory equipped with most modern machines, including our very expensive intraoral scanner and soft tissue lasers. Let us have a look at our intraoral scanner. This is our intraoral scanner used to make 3D models of the patient's teeth on the computer. This totally eliminates the need for impressions to be taken inside the mouth. Also, these models can be a very good record of your teeth stored in your computer and can be used later in case of a problem coming up later in life. This scanner is very valuable in treatments like Invisalign, invisible braces and dental implants also. Let me explain you about Invisalign. You've heard a lot about Invisalign from me over a period of time. Let me explain you about it so that you can refer patients to me for that. First of all, tell me what makes a smile beautiful. The answer is symmetry of your teeth, particularly your front teeth, how straight your teeth are, not overlapping, crooked or spaced too far apart, tooth proportion, color of your teeth, spaces between the tips of your teeth, smile width, gum health and gum line, shape, color and fullness of your lips. Everything contributes to the beauty of your smile. Then straighter teeth are easier to clean, less chances of bad breath, less chances of chipping or breaking, less likely to put stress on your jaws and bones. So a lot of advantages of having straight teeth apart from looking good. One option of straightening teeth is to do with braces. We have provided treatment with all kind of braces ranging from regular metal ones to the invisible self-ligating braces. For people who want their braces to be totally invisible and removable, we have invisible aligner system called Invisalign. This involves a series of clear and removable aligners that gently and gradually shift your teeth into new position. We start with scanning of your teeth to create a 3D model, and before the treatment we will show you the results on your computer. After carefully evaluating the results, you can go ahead with the treatment which is totally invisible apart from the beautiful changes in your smile. So this is how we show you how the changes happen per aligner and the final result before starting the treatment. To understand this more, please do a one-to-one with me, and then you can feel more confident to refer your friends and family and clients to me for your treatments. The other treatments that we do in our clinic are invisible braces, replacement of teeth with dental implants, teeth whitening, laser one-sitting root canal treatments, painless of course, complete dentures, laser gum treatments, digital smile design, tooth jewelry, and specialized treatment for children, etc. These are my gifts.
Hello, my name is Ipshita Bose. I was working at Fidelity Investments as a software engineer, and now I'm pursuing my MBA at the Indian School of Business, Hyderabad. So it was almost 2.5 years back that I decided to get braces. My teeth were very misaligned, and it wasn't in a proper shape, and I think Dr. Sharad Kumar, he took up the challenge to sort of perfectly align my teeth so that I can confidently smile. The experience of almost 2.5 years has really been amazing at this clinic. I think Dr. Sharad Kumar and his team did a fantastic job with my teeth, and they look really great now. Even during the pandemic times, it was perfectly safe to come to the clinic. All precautionary measures were taken, and yeah, I'm just glad that I took the decision to get the braces done here. So yeah, that's pretty much. I would highly recommend Dr. Sharad Kumar to everyone who is looking to get braces, to getting a beautiful smile. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Akshata.
And why we require braces and Invisalign? You can see for yourself. Research confirms that your first impressions are judged by your smiles.
Tom? Hi, it's Sheila.
Come to Smile Please Dental Clinic to create that first impression that is required for you.
Hi, I'm Tom.
Before it becomes too late.